टिका केला
पळय सध्या द फ्लेवर ऑफ पीपल इज दे कॅन सी गुड हॅपनिंग टुरिजमान कितें आमी बरें करतात थोड्या लोकांनी जे लायफान कांय करूंकूच ना विच आय डोंट इवन कमेंट आर टॉकिंग देन आय डोंट वॉन्ट टू रिप्लाय कित्याक वी नो वी आर वेरी क्लियर इन आवर डायरेक्शन्स वी नो वेरी क्लियरली द फर्स्ट टाइम दैट सनबर्न वॉज टोल्ड टू डू 6 months बिफोर आफ्टर वी टोल्ड आमकां 4 दीस फेस्टिवल जाय गोवन स्टेज जाय गोवन फ्लेवर जाय गोवन विलेज जाय गोवन थीम जाय गोवन डीजे गोवन प्लेयरांक थंय हाडपा जाय हें हांवें मागून करून घेतलां आतां समज कोण मागता आनी कितें मागता इज द प्रॉब्लम विथ लॉट ऑफ पीपल इज आयडेंटिटी क्रायसीस so let me not comment on it. We are clear in our way we are going about. We want good festivals to come which can attract tourism in the right manner.
Goan artiste medal on stage
100%. आम्ही एक Goan stage मागल्या. We have asked not for one day. We have said give us one stage for Goan artists to perform. We have various stages. And तातले we are getting all the prominent people who are playing in Goa. गोंयचे लोकांक थंय आमी स्टेज दितात परफॉर्म करपाक हाज्या पयलीं केन्ना जालें रे ताजेर समज कोण टिका करता जाल्यार तो गोंयकारांच्या डिजेंचेर टिका समज करता आय डोंट नो वॉट डू वॉन्ट कितें जाता बेंगॉल पयस जाता बेंगॉल खंयची म्युजीक वाजयता हांव नकळो तर ताणें थंय वचून वाजोवची ती हांगा करपाची गरज ना आनी देर दीस पीपल आर इरिलेवंट इन टुडेज पॉलिटिक्स
असले इव्हेंटाक गोवन आर्टिस्ट दिवंक शकता वूड दे अलाव ऑर्गनायझर
I think we have already asked them as one of the conditions which they have presented it to the board. Rohan County is not deciding alone.
Tourism Minister.
Rohan County as a tourism minister is responsibly handling the Goa Tourism Board's affairs, which is headed by the Chief Minister. Which has have people from the industry, which have people from different departments, which have already industry leaders, experts coming and asking them questions. Sunburn event pass karcha pehli, we have asked them to give a presentation. Their presentation includes our ideas, what we have asked them to do by giving Goans a performing stage. So jenna आमी already मागला ताणी हय म्हणला तातून कोण तरी आयडेंटिटी क्रायसिसल्यान भायर सरता हांव कितें करतलो रे वी आर क्लियर वी वॉन्ट टू गिव आवर पीपल अ स्टेज which has never happened in the past that they have got a place to perform in Sunburn. Today this time we are giving them. थंय कोणाक तुकता हांवें गोवन विलेज सोड गोवन विलेजीन you will have many things which will have Goan cuisine other things also will be around. People will feel a Goan flavor there. This is what we are doing and first time जाला हे कोणाच्या तरी दोळ्यान आसा जाल्यार बेंगॉलीचे ते रसगुल्ला काय कितें खावचें ना